Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. I hope you're fine and doing well. Health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Yes, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection. Collection trendy ideas of low maintenance style for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. Much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Short wave and curl on hair, curly hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. Many much more ideas of messy hairstyle in different haircut. The beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. So stylish collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. 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 Different type of cut, some ideas, layered, deep layered. My dear step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. So beautiful collection of layered and deep layered some idea step. And so attractive collection of hair dye. Brown color, burgundy color. Brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. So the collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Many much more beautiful and latest collection, trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look gorgeous. I hope you must try it. For my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon. I'll be back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.